Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today's lesson title is fractions and we're going to learn about quarters. By the end of today's lesson, you will understand that a fraction is an equal parts of a whole, halves and fourths of a shape. And also you're going to understand the concept of a unit fraction quarter. For today's lesson, we need the words fractions, half, quarter, part, whole, and equal. Let's get started. What is a quarter? Look at here. I have here one pizza and I cut it into two halves, right? So here we have two halves of a pizza. The two halves have been cut again. We cut it in half. So now the pizza have been cut into 4 quarters. Okay, each piece is the same size, all same sizes. A quarter is one of 4 equal parts. So here a quarter, 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 quarter. How many quarters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. When we have 4 quarters, it will make one whole, right? And the picture here is showing you 1 quarter of this pizza. So this is the quarter. This is a whole pizza. Now I want you to cut it in halves. When we cut it into 2 halves, yes, it will look like this. 2 equal parts. Can you see? We call it halves. We have made 2 halves. 1, 2. 2 halves. Each piece is a half. Half of the pizza. This is half of the pizza. And this is the other half of the pizza. So I have 2 halves. Now let's find the missing quarter. A quarter of this cake is missing. Can you find the quarter? This one, or this one, or this one? Of course, this is the missing quarter. The 4 quarters make a whole, okay? Now let's try this one. A quarter of this biscuit is missing. Can you find the quarter? This one, or this one, or this one? Amazing. This is the missing quarter. Each quarter is the same size. Look at it. Quarter, 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 quarter. Each quarter is the same size. Look at the picture here. A quarter of this chocolate is missing. Can you find the quarter? This one? No. This one? Of course, no. Yes, well done. Amazing. Now the 4 quarters of the chocolate are equal. Now again, we have this pizza and a quarter of this pizza is missing and we need to find it. What do you think? This one? This one? What about this one? Yes, well done. Excellent, guys. You're doing super amazing job. Now look at the pizza here. We cut it into quarters, right? Now think, how many people can share the pizza when we cut it in quarters? We have 4 quarters. So how many people they can share this pizza? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. 4. Well done. A quarter of this pie is missing. Can you find the quarter? Yes, this one. Well done. So this is the missing quarter. When we put all quarters together, the 4 quarters together, it will make a whole, right? So now here we have the whole pie. Now this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.